Good afternoon, dear students. I hope you're doing well. In this video, you will find a short summary of some of the most important English language tenses. We will talk about their structure. How do we form the verbs? We will discuss their uses, and also we will discuss together some examples. Let's take a closer look together, and let's start with the first one, present simple. Present simple tense, it is formed with subject plus verb. In affirmative form, always in the third person singular, the verb takes S, ES, IES. Remember also that the negative and interrogative form, it is formed with the auxiliary verb do, which in the third person singular becomes does. I work for a company. He works for a company. I don't work as a teacher. He doesn't work as a teacher. Does he work as a teacher? I study English. She doesn't study English. Does she study English? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Present simple, it is used for daily routines. He gets up at 7 o'clock. We use present simple for habits. I never eat chocolate. We use present simple for permanent states. John lives in London. We use present simple also for general truths and laws of nature. The sun sets in the evening. Let's start now with present continuous. Present continuous tense, it is formed with subject plus the verb to be plus main verb plus ing. I am cooking lunch. I'm not cooking lunch. Am I cooking lunch? They are watching TV. They are not watching TV. Are they watching TV? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Present continuous, it is used for actions that are happening now at the moment of speaking. For example, I'm eating lunch now. We use present continuous also for actions that are happening around the time of speaking. We are staying home these days. Present continuous, it is used also for fixed future arrangements. Tomorrow I'm going to the dentist. Past simple tense. Past simple, it is formed with subject plus the past form of the verb. Remember here that we divide the verbs into regular verbs and irregular verbs. To form regular verbs, we add ed. Work, worked. Study, studied. Irregular verbs change their form. For example, have, had, eat, ate, drink, drunk, buy, bought. We use past simple for actions that started and finished in the past. For example, I did my homework yesterday, which means that the action is finished. We use past simple also for actions that happen one after the other in the past. Mary arrived home, took a shower, and ate dinner. As you notice, the actions happen one after the other. Past continuous tense. We form past continuous with subject plus past form of the verb to be, was, were, plus main verb plus ing. I was watching TV, you were watching TV. He, she, it was watching TV. I was not watching TV, you're not watching TV, and he, she, it was not watching TV. Was I watching TV? Were you watching TV? Past continuous, it is used for an action which was in progress at a stated time in the past. At 4 o'clock yesterday, I was watching TV. Past continuous, it is used also for two or more actions that are happening at the same time in the past. Tim was reading a book while Stuart was cooking. So, two or more actions that were happening at the same time in the past. Let us now start with present perfect tense. We form present perfect with subject plus have, has plus past participle. The past participle of the verbs is formed for regular verbs. It is formed the same as the past simple, so we add ed to the regular verbs to form past participle. The irregular verbs change their form. Note here: eat, ate, eaten. Do, did, done. Go, went, gone. We use present perfect for actions which started in the past and continue up to the present. For example, she has lived there since 1897. Present perfect, it is used also for life experiences. I have been to Italy twice. People have traveled to the moon. Past perfect. Past perfect, it is formed with subject, the past form of the verb have, so had, and the past participle. I had worked. You had worked. I hadn't worked. You hadn't worked. Past perfect, it is used for an action which finished before another past action. Notice, she had left when he arrived home. The bus had just left when I arrived at the station. Past perfect, it is used also for actions which finished in the past and whose results were visible in the past. She had passed her test and she was really happy. Let's start now with future simple will. We form future will with subject plus will plus infinitive. I will study. You will study. He, she, it will study. I will travel. You will travel. He, she, it will travel. The negative form of will is want. Remember, I won't travel. You won't travel. They won't travel. The future will, it is used for on-the-spot decisions. For example, my head hurts. I will have a paracetamol. It's too hot in here. I will open the window. So, we take the decision at the moment. We use will to make predictions based on what we think or imagine. We use here the verbs I think, I imagine, I suppose, I'm not sure. For example, I think he will be a great musician. This prediction is based on my opinion. I'm not sure that in the future he will be a great musician. Will, it is used also for promises, threats, offers, requests. I promise I will help you with your homework. Let me help you. I will carry these bags for you. Let's start now with future going to. Future going to, it is formed with subject plus the verb to be plus going to plus infinitive. I'm going to travel. You are going to travel. I'm not going to travel. You are not going to travel. Future going to, it is used for future plans and intentions. She is going to spend her holidays in Italy. It means that she is planning to. Also, going to, it is used to make predictions based on what we know or see. So, we've got an evidence, we've got a fact. For example, look at the sky. It is going to rain. This was a short summary of some of the English tenses that we've discussed. I want you to practice these rules in different exercises. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.